Good morning, everyone. Happy snowy, snuggly, cold, kind of snow day, hump day. Nice to see you. I figured it has been a long time since I have done a My Pirate Bathroom video. And I woke up this morning, took my shower, trying to figure out which moisturizer I was going to wear because now the weather has changed so radically and we are in such cold, dry, when you wear your mask, you can get like the little raw irritated zones, which can be maskne, but then can also just be like not hydrated enough skin. So I figured if I'm kind of second guessing what I should wear on my face, you guys might be as well. So I'm here to kind of educate you on some moisturizers. So let's dive in. So our go-to for always, forever, the Facial Day Lotion has the SPF 15 in it. It's got a really nice barrier that it makes with your skin to combat free radicals, to combat like the outdoor elements and sun protection. They say it's so much more than a sunscreen, so that's why they call it the Facial Day Moisturizer. So it's got all these added extra benefits. It also is anti-aging. It's also super hydrating because of that hyaluronic acid in all of Hylunia. So this is kind of just an always go-to Facial Day Moisturizer with sunscreen in it. However, because I'm not really going out into the sun today, I was thinking maybe to not use this one because my skin is thirsty. So I'm going to possibly debate against the Ultimate Antioxidant Treatment or the Moisture Infusion. So these guys, we get a lot of questions, which one should I use? So the Ultimate Antioxidant Treatment is really focused for anti-aging. If you want that super glow, that surge of hydration, all the antioxidants, all the vitamins in your skincare, your skin will feel so supple like a baby's butt. That's this guy. Your skin will really feel nourished and just soak it up like a dried napkin, just, like really soaking it up. Moisture Infusion, again, very, very hydrating. This is going to have that really tight, great feel that hyaluronic has. It's going to feel a little bit more whipped and good for acne-prone skin that needs a little burst in hydration. So again, the maskne thing, when you're really kind of flaky, irritated, raw, you don't want to put on something too heavy, but you need that surge of moisture, the Moisture Infusion is the way to go. We also have one other, well, actually there's two, but I only have one. The Antioxidant Oil. So this is a really great oil. I actually have it in my own stock. I have all of these things in my own stock. But it's an oil that you just do a couple of little drops into any moisturizer that you want to add it to. So I had decided today that I'm going to use the Ultimate Antioxidant Treatment. I can show you what that looks like. I just really want that glow. Anti-aging is now a thing because I'm 35. So it comes out very nice and thick, whereas I will show you the Moisture Infusion, the difference. It's kind of a little bit more whipped. Do you see that? How it's just like, oh, so nice. But this one's like a little bit thicker, a little bit more nourishing. I'm obviously not going to waste this stuff. So let me just double up on my skincare. And I'm going to always go upwards on my face. Oh, yeah. Get onto that neck area. Sometimes I kind of slip under my shirt and kind of do my décolleté as well. Don't let this stuff go to waste. You can always put it on the backs of your hands if you grab too much too, because I know everyone's having the super cracked, chafed hands. So especially in winter time, I really like to kind of like swirl into my face, but then also kind of just push into it, really let that product kind of absorb into my skin. Wait a minute. I always do in my hairline too. I don't know if you guys get dry skin up there, get the little wispies, but I kind of go in there too. You can go under the eyes and kind of like press in. A better option, this here little jade roller. So jade is like a wonderful magical stone that always stays cold. So it feels like it was in the refrigerator, even though it's not in the refrigerator. So we retail these little guys too. I like this in particular for product penetration. So it's kind of pushing everything a little deeper into the skin. Also helps with this little area, which is kind of like the jowl spot. So I'm kind of just pushing on up into my skin. I like to do this for a couple minutes, morning or nighttime. You could do both, I guess, but whenever you have more time, I usually tend to do it at nighttime. And then I like to get into the little folds right in there and kind of push all of that up and smooth that out. it kind of just plumps everything, and then again helps with your product penetration, so you can really get in there. You can also roll with a small one into the eye socket, which feels like absolute heaven for any people that are experiencing like migraines or headaches or anything like that. It feels so fantastic to be able to roll out those crow's feet, but also into that temple. Oh my God, it's like so wonderful. I actually sold one to a client friend the other day whose son took it, and I got sent photos of him on the couch, really digging it and not giving it back. So I guess beware that your children, your spouse, anybody can kind of snatch this thing from you because it's so awesome. The one thing that I do recommend, if you want to wipe it down, do not put it submerged in water because it is attached with these metal pieces. Just wipe it down with alcohol. We all have hand sanitizer these days. You can spray a little tissue and wipe it down. But I'm feeling really glowy. I'm feeling really hydrated. If I wanted to, sometime this week, I could use a mask. Masks are wonderful because they're really low maintenance and they just give you that extra burst of that hydration without having to like reinvent the wheel and what am I going to use today? And I already like my moisturizer. Are you sure I have to add something? You don't really. You can use a mask. So this is the antioxidant vitamin C mask. You guys have seen me talk about this before. This is the one that I put on the back of my hands too. Super, super nourishing. Again, chock full of those antioxidants, really, really thick and creamy. I even like to put it on when I'm taking a little bath. You know, I'll do a little CBD bath bomb, kind of chill out, put this stuff all over my face and just kind of sit and cook. 20 minutes later, I'll put my hands into the water and kind of work it through, dunk my head if I want to, but then you can remove it that way. We also have the hyaluronic cream mask, which is again, a little bit better, a little bit more appropriate for somebody that's having acne prone skin, having active skin. If you are having the really bad flare-ups with maskne, I know all of us are eating like a little bit extra sugar right now. Chris and I are starting the whole 30 in February, if anyone wants to give us some support and jump on the bandwagon. But if you are really, really kind of raw, irritated, dry, but you're also having a little bit of acne breakout issues, this guy, the hyaluronic, has green tea built into it, so it'll really super soothe and hydrate. And I always encourage people to paint it onto your skin with a little brush because it kind of feels like a little at-home spa treatment, but also then doesn't waste your product. With a mask, you can always put it on your hands, on your décolleté, wherever you're super dry. But that is my little tidbit tips for Wednesday. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, a wonderful day. Hope everyone's feeling really positive. I feel like after this snowstorm that maybe it'll get a little warmer out soon. I don't know. I hope so. Knocking on wood and fingers are crossed. But I miss you guys a lot. Me, Tara, and Natalie have really been slaying it. Deja has been helping so much. Our intern is like a superstar. So if you guys want an appointment, if you need to get a little pampered, if you have some Christmas gift cards or just some cash on hand from the holidays, we would love to see you and pamper you. So hope to see you soon. Hope you're doing well and stay happy. Okay, bye.